In today's video, we're going through some rare and up-to-date UK hazard perception test practice clips to help you sharpen your skills before the real exam. Each clip will be shown first without any hints, just like the actual DVSA test. Your task is simple: stay focused, identify the developing hazard, and decide the right moment to click. After each clip, I'll replay it and break everything down step by step, showing you exactly where the hazard appears, how it develops, and what you should be looking for to maximize your score. So make sure you watch carefully and stay fully focused throughout the video, because this practice can make a real difference in your test performance. And if your goal is to achieve 65+ in your driving theory test, don't forget to check out my full hazard perception master playlist and mock test series. Everything you need is linked in the description and available on my channel. Clip number 1. Now let's solve clips 1 together. In this clip, the hazard is the vehicle ahead approaching the bend on a narrow country road. As the situation develops, we should begin to respond early. First click, when we initially see the vehicle ahead near the bend. Second click, as both vehicles get closer and the bend reduces visibility further. Third click, when the hazard becomes more immediate due to the narrowing space. First click here. Second click here. Third click here. Clip number 2. Now let's solve clips 2 together. In this clip, the hazard is a white van because it is reversing into our lane to enter the road. First click here. Second click. And third click here. Clip number 3. Now let's solve clips 3 together. In this clip, the hazard is the white van emerging from a side road on the left. It may pull out into our lane, creating a risk as we approach the bend. Visibility is slightly limited due to the curve of the road, so we should reduce speed and be prepared to stop if necessary. First click, when we first notice the white van waiting at the junction. Second click, as the van begins to edge forward. Third click, when it becomes likely that the van will enter our lane. First click here. Second click. And third click. And that's the end of today's hazard perception practice session. If you went through all the clips, let me know in the comments how many hazards you managed to spot at the correct time. That really helps you track your progress. Also, tell me what you want next: more real DVSA style clips, theory test questions, or advanced driving tips. I read every comment, so your feedback shapes the next videos. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the full playlist for more practice and continuous improvement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more driving test preparation videos. See you in the next one, and good luck with your test preparation.